Encountering the iPhone says not enough storage, but there is dilemma. Can be perplexing and frustrating for users. Despite having ample storage space available, iPhones may display misleading error messages indicating insufficient storage. Part 2. Fixes for iPhone says not enough storage, but there is. Fix 1. Update to the latest iOS version. Access device settings, choose General, select Software Update, and if an update is present, tap Download and Install, then follow on-screen instructions to finish the update. Fix 2. Delete photos or large files from iPhone, with a backup on PC Mac. If you're encountering iPhone not enough storage issues due to large media files, exporting them to your PC can resolve the problem. Mobikin Assistant for iOS offers a convenient solution for identifying and managing these files. Install Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone and trust the computer when prompted. Choose file type, for example, photos from the left menu. The tool scans your iPhone for selected files. Preview and select files, then click Export to transfer them to your computer. Fix 3. Delete your old iPhone backups. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to General, and then tap on Storage. Select iCloud usage, and choose Manage Storage. Identify and select old iPhone backups to delete from the list. Fix 4. Disable Keep Normal Photo when using HDR. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to Photos and Camera Settings. Locate the Keep Normal Photo option and toggle it off. Fix 5. Enable Offload Unused Apps. Open iPhone Settings and navigate to General. Tap on iPhone Storage and toggle on Offload Unused Apps. Fix 6. Clear cache files in Safari. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Locate and select the Safari or preferred browser option. Tap on Clear History and Website Data. Fix 7. Disable iCloud Photo Library. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile and select iCloud. Locate and tap on Photos, then uncheck the iCloud Photos option to disable the feature. Fix 8. Use iOS system repair software. At times, system errors or bugs on your iPhone may trigger the not enough storage message inaccurately. In such cases, employing an iOS system repair tool, like iOS System Recovery, can swiftly resolve the issue. Fix 9. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to General Reset. Select Reset All Settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm and proceed with the reset. Fix 10. Restore iPhone through iTunes. Connect iPhone to computer, open iTunes, select Device, go to Summary, click Restore iPhone, and follow on-screen instructions to complete restoration.